These Mexican meatballs are so good and they only have 4 ingredients. I've got shredded lettuce, meatballs cooked in the air fryer, then some smooth ricotta, and a nice smoky salsa. Before we go, I better introduce myself. So my name's Jules Clancy. I live in Australia. I used to be a food scientist, but now I'm an extremely simple cooking coach. And I help food lovers simplify cooking so it feels easy and relaxing, like curling up on the couch. And apart from the simplicity, the other thing that makes my recipes unique is I always include a list of variations to suit different dietary requirements. With the Mexican meatballs, if you didn't eat meat, commercial plant balls would work well, or you could use like chickpeas or beans or boiled eggs could sub in with any other cooked protein that you have, like leftover meat or pork. If you had some canned tuna or fancy tuna in a jar, that would work well. And then if you wanted to keep it dairy free, instead of the ricotta, you could use something like a hummus or something like this baba ganoush dip, just to give it that creaminess and richness without the dairy, or any other of your favorite dairy-free sour cream alternatives. And if you didn't have any salsa, you could just use a hot sauce. Something like this sriracha is going to be perfect. Hope you've enjoyed this, and make sure you subscribe to my Stone Soup channel so you can get more recipes in your feed.